Okay, today's fountain pen unboxing is of a pen dedicated to the aviation industry. It's in a cardboard box, and the outer is a sleeve. It is a Montegrappa. This is the Montegrappa Aviator fountain pen in the Red Baron that just got recently released. So you've got the Montegrappa name on the top of the box. And their packaging is always classy. I like that about Montegrappa. And the box packaging is all like a chocolatey brown. And then this part of the packaging is fantastic. Oh, and again, love the easy access, good designs. Underneath your pen and pen case, you have plenty of information, everything you might want to know about pen company, your pen design, how to use your pen, how to maintain your pen, and warranty information. That's all going to be in this little booklet underneath your pen. So if you have questions about the company, your pen design, how to use your pen, how to maintain your pen, or if you need to contact them about any warranty questions or issues, that would all be right here in this handy booklet. Okay, now let's look at the pen. So first thing you see when you open the box was this cool pen case, and it's obviously designed to look like a pair of vintage flight goggles. And it's a zipper case. You can see here, it's brown and black. And unzip that. It does have the Montegrappa name here along the front. And you go ahead and unzip that and open it up. And inside is your pen. You also get 2 Montegrappa ink cartridges. That is nice. And you do have a little insert here to hold your pen that velcros down, which is nice. It's got the cool Montegrappa branding along that nice leather band to hold the pen secure. So that was just a really fun addition, and it does actually note, which I thought was cool, that if you want, you can use this as a sunglasses case once you are using your pen or have a different place you like to store your pens. But either way, if you want to store your pen in it, fantastic, or you can use it as a sunglasses case. That's a pretty cool case. I like it. It's really unique. Okay, and then this is the Montegrappa Aviator fountain pen in Red Baron. It does come in a protective plastic Ziploc sleeve. Okay, so obviously the overall design of this pen is inspired by the designs of aircraft and rockets. The Aviator pen from Montegrappa is gonna go ahead and continue forward with the same, some of the same elements. Like, you'll love this landing gear clip, and you may recognize it from past designs. You've got the mock riveting on the pen barrel and cap. The aerodynamic elements of the design also carry through to this new release. The nose cone cap. Basically, the pen resembles a fuselage. Let's see some of the specific elements here that you might want to look at. This new release, this is the Red Baron, it just was recently released here, and they're referring to this one as the ultimate pilot's pen. Flipped into sport mode is how they described it, which to me immediately, the red, that's what it brings to, for me, it brings the red color to mind. So obviously the red is a great color, but that's not the actual reason for the red here. It's plain, the Red Baron version of the Aviator pen is named after the Red Baron. So while the Aviator pen line is already known as being inspired by aviation and designs in the aviation industry, this one is specifically combining that with retro stunt plane design and optics. All right, so generally speaking, you've got a pretty light body build here. This pen is handmade in Italy. The anodized aluminum is satin brushed, and it does have that really just right signal red finish here. The hardware on this pen is ion plated steel, and also this pen is fitted with a stainless steel nib. Let's get you a better look at the stainless steel nib here. It is branded Montegrappa. I just say Italia there on the nib. The section is black, and it coordinates with the nib and the trim on the pin. Let's get you a look at some of the actual lettering on this pin. Find it. So on the back you have a fuel tank designated by not only the visual but the word fuel. On the side of the cap you have remove before flight, which, well, I mean, that's just perfect. And then if you go down, you do have Montegrappa engraved on the center ring there. And then the other little bit you'll want to see is at the bottom of the barrel, you've got no step. And that's all amidst the mock riveting and paneling on the pin. That's all the different design elements that you'll be able to see on this aviation design pin. I mean, aviation inspired pin. But I also want to point out that this Red Baron release is named after a specific pilot. It's Manfred Führer von Richthofen, aka the Red Baron, which I know I'm pronouncing the Red Baron right. The rest, correct me if I'm wrong, feel free. He was a World War I Prussian squadron commander, and he was amazing at what he did. He was said to dominate the skies. It went down in history because of the record-breaking number of aerial battles he was involved in. And he was called the Red Baron because his nickname, I guess nickname would be what you would call it, came about because he flew a distinctive red triplane. And for a lot of people, that distinctive red triplane came to symbolize kind of a more noble spirit of war from kind of a different, older time. And you may have seen a reference to the Red Baron in the popular Charlie Brown comics and cartoons because Snoopy, if I remember right, will often, maybe not often, sometimes he will reenact aerial battles as if he's the Red Baron flying his doghouse, if I remember correctly. Anyway, so this is the Red Baron new release from the Montegrappa Aviator fountain pen line. The Montegrappa Aviator Red Baron fountain pen also comes with a fountain pen converter already installed in your pen. And if you want to use fountain pen ink, this is what you'll use to do that. I'm sorry, if you want to use bottled fountain pen ink, this is what you'll use to pull the ink up into your pen. If you want to use your included ink cartridges, you just remove your converter and instead go ahead and insert one of your ink cartridges. It's a threaded cap, and it is postable, but some people don't like to post their pen. If you do, you would be able to. If you are a fan and you want more information, check it out at penchili.com.